way to creating a garden that brings you joy for years to come. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, there's a flower garden waiting to be born. So grab your gardening gloves and let's embark on this colorful journey together. Flowers are more than just pretty faces in the garden. They play a vital role in our ecosystem and offer a wealth of benefits for our well-being. Firstly, flowers attract essential pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. These busy creatures help our plants reproduce and are crucial for a healthy environment. Secondly, spending time in a garden, surrounded by the beauty of flowers, has been proven to reduce stress and improve mental health. And let's not forget the simple joy that flowers bring. A vase of freshly cut blooms can brighten up your home and bring a smile to anyone's face. Now comes the fun part, choosing your flowers. With so many dazzling varieties to choose from, it can be a bit overwhelming. First, consider your growing zone. This tells you which plants are best suited for your local climate. You can easily find your growing zone online or at your local garden center. Next, think about your personal style. Do you prefer a romantic cottage garden overflowing with pastel hues, or a modern and minimalist look with bold architectural plants? Once you have an idea of the style you're after, it's time to consider the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Some flowers thrive in full sun, while others prefer a shadier spot. For sunny spots, you can't go wrong with sunflowers, lavender, or coneflowers. These sun worshippers will reward you with an abundance of vibrant blooms. If your garden is more shaded, don't worry. There are plenty of beautiful flowers that prefer a bit of shade, such as hostas, ferns, and impatiens. Remember to check the plant labels or ask your local nursery for advice on the best location for each flower you choose. Section 5. Preparing your canvas, soil, and site. Before you start planting, it's essential to prepare your garden bed. Start by clearing the area of any weeds, rocks, or debris. Next, it's time to enrich your soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. You can improve your soil structure and fertility by adding compost or well-rotted manure. If you're short on space or have poor soil, consider container gardening. Pots and planters allow you to create a mini garden anywhere, from balconies to patios. Just make sure your containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Section 6. Digging in. Planting your flowers. Now comes the exciting part, planting. Most flower seeds can be sown directly into the ground, while others benefit from being started indoors a few weeks before the last frost. When planting your flowers, be mindful of spacing. Overcrowding can lead to poor air circulation and increase the risk of diseases. Water your newly planted flowers gently but thoroughly, ensuring the water reaches the roots. A good soaking at the base is better than a light sprinkle. Section 7. Design secrets, creating visual harmony. To create a truly stunning flower garden, consider these design tips. First, plant in odd numbers. Odd-numbered groupings tend to look more natural and pleasing to the eye. Mix heights and textures for a dynamic display. Combine tall, spiky flowers with low-growing, mounding plants to create visual interest. Think about color combinations. You can opt for a harmonious look with analogous colors next to each other on the color wheel, or create a bold statement with contrasting colors. Section 8. Caring for your blossoming masterpiece. Once your flowers are planted, it's important to give them a little TLC to thrive. Water your garden regularly, especially during dry spells. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers. This simply means pinching or snipping off the faded flowers. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases and address any issues promptly. Your local garden center can advise you on the best course of action. Section 9. The everlasting joy of gardening. Creating a stunning flower garden is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn, new varieties to try, and new ways to enhance your garden's beauty. So, embrace the process, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. The rewards of gardening are endless. From the joy of watching your flowers bloom to the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own two hands. Happy gardening!